And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year day 43. Let's create a design that brings everything together that we've learned so far. We'll start with the rectangle tool, just left click drag. Then hold Alt and drag a copy out of it using the selection tool. And for the second copy, I'll hold Shift when I rotate it. We can easily transform it by clicking on the corner points. I'll make this a bit thicker, and I want to give it a bluish color. But let me go with a darker one, maybe this. Now let us position the other two better. You don't want to do it like this, so top and bottom. Instead, you want to connect them like this. And if you want to select both, I think the easiest way is to just left click drag over both of them like this. And they're both selected, and you can put them to the top of the bluish rectangle and transform them downwards and a bit to the right. The one on top I want to make white, and the one at the bottom I want to make red. Now we want to create a frame. To do that, we'll create another rectangle and use top left and bottom right corner points to find the correct size. Give it a fill of none and then a stroke of black. We go with 1 point just to have a thin frame. Now we need the star. So we activate the star tool right here, right click on the toolbox where the rectangle is. Then hover over the center, and the smart guide should help you in finding the center of the blue rectangle right here. Then left click and hold Shift and Alt at the same time. Then release. I flip the colors right here and I make the fill white. We don't have a stroke. And this is now the Texas flag. If I'm not mistaken, you can select it all and then transform it together. But make sure to hold Shift, that keeps the aspect ratio. As always with these examples, I would advise you to just do it yourself and recreate it, because this is the way that you actually learn Illustrator, not by watching a video, but by creating those designs. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.